Look at all those passies. You gonna try them all out? That's all your passies. Oh, that one looks good, huh? She says, wow, what the heck? Let's try this one. Wow. There's a lot of passies. Oh, there's another one. Whoop, try that one. What do you think? You see another one? Oh, there's one. Oh. Okay, yeah, you're funny. Yeah. Try them all out. They're all clipped onto that thing. Yeah. Oh, there's one. Yeah. Oh. What do you do with all those passies? What are you gonna do with all those passies? Is that fun? Yeah. Is that fun? You want me to clip them all to you? Which one do you like the best? Which one you like the best? Oh, passies. Oh, passies. Yeah, there's a lot. There's another one. Yep. Well. You're so funny. You're so funny. Passy heaven. Passy heaven. In the new house. Got a pretty fireplace. Need to find a place for the stockings. Charlie Brown Christmas. And all the passies you could all on there, huh? Ooh, there's another one. There's another one. Oh. You are so content.
How can I be expected to live in the same house with two brothers? What kind of question was that? Big sisters are the crabgrass in the lawn of life.
Okay,
I'm your younger brother, and I don't suck my thumb, and I don't like it for security. Hooray for you. As you'll probably develop a real resentment toward me.
What do you think, Kaya? Are you all done with them? What? Are you all done? No? They're all attached. Oh, you got one loose.
Younger brothers learn to think fast. If you're the third child in a family, and your brother and sister are really weird, I wonder if it's possible for that third
You're
child
gonna hook them on you?
an immunity to all the bad things that happen in the family.
No, I know which ones I like. There's some ones on there that... Yeah, there's some on there you don't like. You know which ones. Oh.
Wow, what a project. Color these pictures, cut and paste.
You're so funny. You're so funny.
What a learning.
Passy heaven.